New Yorkers hoping to fly somewhere dry have already missed the plane. More than 1,400 flights out of or into the region's 3 major airports have already been canceled Monday morning, according to website FlightAware, in anticipation of a massive blizzard that could drop 2 to 3 feet of snow on the tri-state area up through New England. United Airlines, which operates a hub out of Newark, is scaling back operations beginning Monday night and will cancel all flights Tuesday, when the brunt of the snow hits, at Newark, LaGuardia, and JFK, as well as Boston and Philadelphia, an airline spokeswoman told the Daily News.
We are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. The early projections for this storm are that it would easily be as much as 2 feet of snow, potentially pushing on closer to 3 feet of snow.